Let me show you how you can make this Ghibli Studio art without subscribing for the premium version of Chatgpt. If you're watching this video right now, it simply means that you want to learn how to make this viral Ghibli Studio art that has been trending all over the internet. Content creators and generative AI experts have been creating these amazing Ghibli Studio arts that you can see right now on my screen. And trust me, everybody on the internet right now is looking for how to make this viral Ghibli Studio art, either for themselves or for businesses or individuals who want to have their own Ghibli Studio art without learning how to make it. But the disappointing thing is that you need the premium version of ChatGPT to actually make this Ghibli Studio arts. And that is the reason why I am making this video right now, to show you another tool that you can use to also make this Ghibli Studio art without subscribing for the premium version of ChatGPT. But before we go into that, we'll try creating a Ghibli Studio art right now with ChatGPT to actually see if it can create it or not. After which we go over to the next app, which I'm going to be revealing to you right on this video, and also showing you how you can use this app to actually make your own Ghibli Studio art. So let's get right into ChatGPT to see how we can make this Ghibli Studio art with it. Alright, so this is my ChatGPT, and right now I'm going to start recording my screen so that I can place it beside this video for you guys to see exactly what I am doing, okay? And how you can generate this art if you're actually using the premium version of ChatGPT. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is, let me record my screen. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your ChatGPT. After you've logged into your ChatGPT, you can see right here, I'm using the free version, and when I click on this drop down, you can see ChatGPT. Why for this studio art you need the ChatGPT 4.0, which is the premium version. Okay, you can see that I'm using the free one. The premium one is showing me to upgrade, which I do not want to upgrade. Okay, so for me to create this studio art, what I have to do is to click on this plus icon, click on it, then click on photo library. Let me select this video as a video that I want to upload, and I click on done. Then I tell ChatGPT to generate the Ghibli Studio art of this picture. Okay, so I say generate Ghibli Studio art of this picture, and I click on send. Okay, so let's see the result it's going to give us. You can see that it is generating, saying getting started. So this is typically how to actually do this Ghibli Studio art generation. It is not difficult. It is just simple, prompting. All right. Still taking time to load. It actually takes a lot of time to load, especially two things that actually influences this factor is one, the fact that it uses external, image generation softwares and AIs, and secondly is the network. The network, if your network is not stable, this is what is going to keep doing. Okay, so you can see this is what it's giving me. I've tried it before. It's giving me the same thing. Like it won't just give you the exact result unless you are using the premium version of ChatGPT. If I try it again now, it's going to tell me that it's unable to generate. You can see what it gave me. Let me try it again. Okay, say generate the Ghibli Studio art of this picture. Let's see the result it's going to give us for the second attempt. It's loading. Remember that the first attempt did not go. You can see it right here on the screen. Okay, and this is the second attempt. It's still taking long, and you can see that it's not even giving us any tangible results. So this is simply to show you that the free version of ChatGPT cannot actually do this Ghibli art generation. You can see it has given us a result. It said I was not able to generate the Ghibli Studio style art of this picture because of a temporal limit on image generation. You can try again in 7 minutes. all those ones, they are different stories. It's because I've tried it 2 or 3 times even before I made this video, and it did not go through. And you can see it again, it still did not go through, and it's not because I've passed the limit. Okay, so ChatGPT, the free version of ChatGPT, cannot give you the Ghibli Studio art of these viral, pictures that has been trending on the internet. Now let's go over to the next app that I talked about that you can use to generate this Ghibli Studio art, and it will still give you the exact same results that ChatGPT will give you. Okay, so I'm going to attach in this video a picture that my friend did with ChatGPT. All right, that is the Ghibli art that my friend did with ChatGPT. Okay, and also when I generate this one, you can compare it with the one that I did with this app I'm about to review to you right now. So let's get right into it. The AI is linked with Twitter, which is X. All right, I believe that each and every one of you here know that Twitter now have an AI tool that is inbuilt in the app. Okay, so let's go right into it. So I'm going to search for X on my phone. You can see it. This is my X app, and I'm going to upload this video to their AI, which is Grok. Okay, you can see it here. You can see it right here on my screen. All right, so let me click on it. If you click on it, it's going to actually give you space to either input a text or, give it whatever you want it to do for you. Just the same way ChatGPT or every other AI does. You give it your prompt and it's going to give you the results that you are looking for. Okay, so this is it. You can see deep search, think, and edit image. But what we are going to do right now is to click on this icon that looks like audio icon. You can see it. If you click on it, it's going to open your file folder. So let's select this image. Okay. Select this image and tell it to generate a Ghibli studio art of this picture. Then you click on this upload icon and it's going to give you the result you are looking for. We can all see it on the screen right now. Okay, so it's generating. You can see it. All right, so let's wait for it to give us the results. It's coming up. I'm excited, right? So basically, this is it. You can see it, right? You can see the chair that I used, the microphone, the, you see Paris, everything is there. So, and it's the same hand, the same way I kept my hand. So this is typically it, right? It will give you the same results that ChatGPT is going to give you. So go ahead and use the Twitter AI to generate your own Ghibli art. All right. If you don't have the premium version of ChatGPT, you don't have to worry about anything. Use what you have already, and it's free to generate your own Ghibli studio art pictures. All right. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, let me know in the comment section. And if you learned something valuable from this video, do me well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that more people will get to see and watch it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have seen my channel for the first time, my name is Okafumiri Cynthia. On this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency, make money online, and every other helpful tips that you need to actually improve yourself and your personal development goals. Okay, so do me well to hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that other people get to see and learn from it. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.